Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. If you own a GoPro, mine is Hero 8, and your battery dies faster than you are meant to last, then you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today we are unboxing the Telesign charger with 3 battery slots for the GoPro Hero 8. Let's see if this is the perfect upgrade for longer filming section. So this is the battery pack for the GoPro Hero 8, and now we're going to open up the Telesign charging kit. Now you might be wondering, why did I choose to get more batteries? Well, I'm planning to use my GoPro a lot more often, not just for fun but also for recording content for my YouTube channel. The problem is the GoPro batteries I have right now very last, and it's super frustrating when die in mid recording. I tried to find replacement on the official GoPro website, but since my GoPro Hero 8 is an older model, they are pretty hard to find, so I decided to try out this Telesign battery, and guess what? They fit perfectly. Now I'm going to charge all of them, including my original GoPro battery, using the Telesign charger. You charge 3 batteries at once, which is super convenient. I'm plugging it into my laptop for now, but that is just temporary. I definitely recommend using a proper wall adapter or power hub for faster, safer charging. So that's it for this quick unboxing and first look at the Telesign charger and batteries for the GoPro Hero 8. I will be testing them out soon to see how they perform in real life shooting situation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech and gear reviews, and drop a comment. If you have tried these batteries before, I would love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, I will see you in the next one. As always, I love you. Bye!